Hi students, this is Michael, an accounting lecturer having 42 years experience. I have seen so many students commenting on different video classes. Depreciation is depression. Why? It is not at all depression. It's very easiest topic in my sense. Why the students are feeling depression? Because here I am not going to criticize any particular book or any particular author, but it's my opinion. In CA Foundation book especially, they expect the students that they follow other standard books. Apart from the CA material given by them, they should follow, the students should follow the suggested recommended books. But students are not following. They don't have time. They have to refer many books. But the book is giving only outlines of the syllabus and a few examples. Theory part it is covering very at large, but problem part, sufficient problems are not there to practice, and that too they are not in the serial order. That is the why. The reason is that especially when they started from the beginning of the chapter and solving one by one question, they are getting confused. It means they have to jump skipping many concepts, many practice problems. How? Why? I am explaining here. In the depreciation accounting, first method, they introduced the SLM method, then WDV method. Simple problems they gave. After introducing these two, they gave very simple problems. These problems will not come in the examination. And immediately, they have explained this method, this method, this method. Each one problem. And straight away, they have gone to exercises, some example illustrations. In those illustrations, straight away they have selected some important questions from the exam point of view, and they gave only 3 questions, but those are not sufficient. What the ICA intention is to make the students practice on their own, collecting from various books, but the students are not doing like that. They are simply depending on various videos and various classrooms. But here, if I want to analyze this chapter, this SLM method, WDV method, here there are many problems to practice step by step, sequentially. How? I'll tell you. When you come to the exam point of view, the two important methods are number 1 SLM, number 2 WDV. SLM method means straight line method. WDV method means written down value method. You might have learned already. You might have listened already. May not be learned completely. Now coming to this, when you are following SLM method, there are different methods of maintaining accounts. One is provision for depreciation account not maintained. It means no provision for depreciation account. No provision for depreciation account means we need only 2 accounts. Machinery account, one machinery account, one depreciation account. 1 plus 1, 2 accounts. If you come here, when provision for depreciation account is maintained, one machinery account, one depreciation account, and one provision for depreciation account. Totally 3 accounts you have to maintain. And the problem will not stop here simply. The problem mentions the sale of asset, definitely. when the sale of asset is given in the question, then whether to open machinery disposal account. Disposal account means sale of asset. Some questions ask to maintain separately disposal account. Some questions will be silent about disposal account. If they are silent, you can simply escape a disposal account, maintaining a disposal account. So when you come to this flow chart here, if you don't want to maintain, if the problem is not asking disposal account when there is a sale of asset, then what accounts you need? Simply one machinery account, one depreciation account. Two accounts are enough. And if you come here, these two repeated here. If you come to this side, one machinery account, one depreciation account, and one disposal account. Totally 3 accounts. So, if you follow like this and come like this becomes one method. Here you maintain only 2 accounts. If you follow like this and you come like this, if you travel like this, you need to maintain 3 accounts. So maintaining with 2 accounts and maintaining with 3 accounts, how the entries will be passed and how journal ledger accounts will be affected. And coming to this again, when provision for depreciation account, you might have learned provision for depreciation account or accumulated depreciation account. When this is maintained, then how? Here, one machinery account plus one depreciation account. Generally, depreciation account is not asked in the question, but you must understand how to prepare that. One machinery account, one depreciation account, one provision for depreciation account. Totally 3 accounts you have to maintain. And when you travel like this, again these 2 situations arise. That is, without disposal account and with disposal account. Disposal account means the particulars of sale will be shown in the disposal account. Okay. Now, if you follow like this, if you travel like this, then here one machinery account, one depreciation account, one provision for depreciation account, enough. Disposal account is not necessary. Here 3 accounts means this one. And if you come here, again 4 accounts you need. One machinery account, depreciation account, and provision for depreciation account. Finally, disposal account. Here you have to maintain 4 accounts. So, in this method, 2 accounts. In this method, 3 accounts. In this method, 3 accounts. In this method, 4 accounts. And if you come to written down value method, the same repetitions again. Without provision for depreciation, with provision for depreciation, with disposal, without disposal, like that. So here 4 different accounting procedures are there. Same accounting procedures can be followed for WDV method. That is accounting procedure. Where to write? In which account is debited, which account is credited, from which account to which account amounts are to be transferred. Within that framework, how many methods are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4. 8 methods are there. Are there 8 different illustrations in the book? No. They expect that since you are a professional student, they have mentioned in the theory, these are methods are there, but you have to analyze and go in depth and collect different books and prepare them. But nowadays, who is doing that? In our olden days, people used to do all these things. Nowadays, just like hot cake, they want to pass immediately. It is impossible. Impossible means for ordinary general students, it is difficult. Not I don't say impossible, difficult. They take longer time. But okay, in some institutions, very good institutions, very good tutors are there. They are providing this type of coaching, and those students are getting through. And extraordinary students will also be there. They can follow anything. They can refer the books and they can immediately grasp it. And so, in general, on keeping the average student, I am talking about, they don't know how many these methods are there. I don't know who have cleared CA foundation. They have these methods or not. Maybe, may not be. No guarantee. And in each, see, 8 methods are there. And in each method, at least you must practice 3 to 4 problems. My suggestion is 5 problems. 40 problems you have to prepare. Okay, if you are fast enough to grasp, at least 30. If you are intelligent, 20. If you are so intelligent, just 8. All these methods. So, this step-by-step approach, first we have to do this, then we have to do this, then we have to come to this, then we have to come to this, then this, like that. These are not there. You cannot find in any one book all these methods explained in detail. This can be taught only by senior professors and senior lecturers, not by the youngsters, because there is a vast difference. We are more than 60, they are just 25, 30. So, they are teaching well, they are inspiring the students. It's an appreciable thing. But to see all the books, see, one has to find time. I am not criticizing any person. My intention you have to understand. I suggest you to follow, refer to the standard books. If you are not able to follow those all standard books, I am ready to hear to provide all these steps, step-by-step problems, including CA material, which is suggested by ICAI, and practical problems. Here, before going, see, in ICAI book, first problem you can do easily. Second, third also they have touched this depletion method, this, okay. Then when they go to the practice problems, straight away they are picking any one of these methods directly and teaching. Remaining, it's your part. It's not their part. If they want to write that, all that, the book will become like this. We have the books like this size, this much, 2 books, 2 volumes. M.C. Shukla, R.L. Gupta, this much volume books are there. So, we can't read that. This is for higher standards. So, my best suggestion is either you refer all the standard books, or if you are not able to refer to the standard books, you just follow my free videos so that you will be benefited. And I will be teaching step by step. You please subscribe to my channel. You will be definitely benefited. I'll promise you. After learning this, you will feel that, oh, this depreciation is so much easy, like this. It is a flow, very easy. Only thing is, when you are calculating the figures, you must be careful. For how many months depreciation is to be calculated, for how much percentage depreciation is to be calculated, that is required. But the framework, what is the accounting work, what are the various methods of recording transactions relating to depreciation, what are the various methods? In the examination, you may see any of these methods. That time you will be simply confused. Array, which method? It is not given in the CA book or suggested answers or something, some scanners. No, you will not find, because CA is a professional standards. They expect to be a professional. That is the reason they made it a very strong subject. They need not tell all these like spoon feeding. That is your response. They will give 10% support. You have to do 90% hard work. That's it. So, I'll be continuing with my first method. First, second, I'll take one problem, one simple problem, and I will explain all these methods. First, without sale of assets, and then with the sale of assets. All these methods. Once you go through them one by one, you will get a complete frame structure you will get. Then your vision will be clear about the accounting framework. Once you get it, it is only the matter of just calculations on the calculator. That's it. Okay, all the best. You just follow my channel, subscribe and get benefited. If you like it, subscribe. Otherwise, don't subscribe. Subscribe, share it, and like it. Thank you very much.